Welcome to Lillio Learning. We are excited to introduce you to our early learning curricula. Today, we are going to be showing you what's been carefully packed into Lillio Learning's infant and toddler classroom kit. Your first order will include a starter pack. This includes durable items like wall displays and posters with interchangeable pieces that can be reused all year round to engage children in learning concepts like shapes, colors, and so much more. My personal favorite are the emotion cards to help children name how they are feeling throughout the day. It even comes with a quick start guide, explaining how to set up your space and organize your materials. Now, let's explore what comes with the teacher pack of your curriculum kit. Each teacher pack contains unique and colorful materials for 2 months' worth of engaging lessons, with a fresh new theme every other week. These themes are aligned with Lillio Learning's weekly planner and can be modified to meet the needs and interests of your classroom. Children are always curious about exploring new things. Keep your classroom library refreshed with new books from Lillio Learning. Each month, you'll receive 3 brand new sturdy board books, along with play manipulatives that will pique children's engagement across fun activities. We include so much more in our full curriculum kit. We designed these to take the guesswork out of activity planning so that we can support teachers across all experience levels. Each full kit includes a variety of age-appropriate art activities and supplies, a total of 12 art projects per child each month. And here's the best part. Our team organizes these materials into individual packets so you don't have to. And last but not least, the curriculum guide. This is the most important item in your curriculum kit. It includes outlines on all of the activities and even tips on supporting children's learning and development. Our experts at Lillio have carefully written this guide with instructions on how to use every single thing in your kit, along with helpful hints on how to individualize your activities. Each activity will be clearly labeled with dates that align with Lillio Learning's weekly planner. And even more convenient, our curriculum is aligned with early learning and development standards. Simply refer to the labels on each packet to help you match it to the activity in your curriculum guide. This will keep things easy and organized for a smooth teaching experience. Lillio Learning's curricula is carefully packed with these engaging teaching materials, complete with take-home newsletters for your families, helping to deepen that home-to-classroom connection. We want to save you time so that you can spend more of it interacting with your children. And all of this delivered right to your door. Ready to simplify your day and create excitement for learning? Visit us at lillio.com to get started.